boyfriend of her best friend out of jealousy. Ananthrium is the medicine of jealousy. To let down her best friend, she voluntarily slept with the boyfriend, just out of jealousy. So Ananthrium is such a remedy. If you explore Ananthrium, breasts are atrophied and become soft. Extreme jealousy accompanied by unrestrained sexuality in subject who dress in a grotesque or bizarre manner. So that the girl who are into the fashion business, those who are hyper excited sexually and full of jealousy. So this is the remedy, and breast size decrease. Then conium is the medicine. Allen Encyclopedia says meme complete atrophy of mammary gland, lean, flaccid, bag-like skin, wasting of the breast. So Allen, disease of skin, stony heart, scarus of the breast with piercing pains, heavy pulling in the breast, wasting and atrophy of the breast, skin flaccid, bag-like, scrofulous with enlargement of lymphatics. All tumor have stony hardness. It follows arnica after injuries. So conium is like arnica. Another remedy for injuries side effect is carbolic acid, sulfuric acid. These are remedies, great remedies for after effect of injuries. Derrick guiding symptom says hypertrophy of breast, either general or lobular. So I had certain patients which are complaining the reverse, that our breast size is increasing to such an extent that we are worried. Our size, bra sizes are changing always. So this again is cause of embarrassment. Nux moscata, veratrum album, phosphorus. These are the remedies for hypertrophy. Even this conium. Varying guidance symptom, hypertrophy of breast, wasting of breast, complete atrophy of mammary gland, leaving a flaccid bag-like skin. Allen Keynote says that glandular induration of stony hardness of mammary and testicles in persons of cancerous tendency after the injuries of glands. Compare Asterias rubens. Is followed well by sorinum in tumor of mammary with threatening malignancy. So iodine is another remedy for wasting of breast. Atrophy of mammary gland, atrophy of glandular tissue, breast, testicles, and thyroid. Nash says marasmus, atrophy or general emaciation with good appetite, always hungry but growing poor no matter how much he eats. So losing flesh while eating well. Tuberculinum, natramure, hydrodenum, iodine, sorinum. These are the major remedies in it. Patek says sterility from atrophy of ovaries and mammary. Nux moscata, as I told. So mammary too small, retracted nipple, laughing hysteria. I already told you that 20 years girl was admitted in hospital with fit of laughing, giggling and laughing, constant flow of merry conceits. Yes. So and appears gay to himself, sees the ridiculous side of everything. छोटी छोटी बात जैसे cannibals में होता है ना, like cannibals. So they start laughing and laughing, giggling. Always, even in talking, they giggle. Quite contrary to usual, everything make him laugh, which is particularly noticeable as he is in the open air. He stood still in the street, made silly gesticulations, occasionally sunk in the complete absence of mind, and then collecting himself, everything that was around seems ridiculous. Disposition to laugh or jest at everything. This is Nux moscata. Madorinum, breast and nipple sore and sensitive to touch, breast cold, sore and sensitive, boric says, pain and soreness through chest, remedy, anticipate fear being exposed and always follow. I'm not going into the Madorinum and other nosodes. They always have a lot of anticipatory anxiety. All nosodes are anti, because supposing someone is diagnosed with cancer or gonorrhea or any disease, the first thing is, what will happen to me? That anxiety and anticipation is running through all the nosodes. When this is with incapacity, it is sorinum. Anticipation with incapacity is sorinum. Anticipation with being exposed, because gonorrhea, you all know, is a hidden disease of sexual part, of the intimate part. So they all, because, and we know that gonorrhea is after a outside contact, unprotected sex. So patient feels so bad and wants to hide. So when it is anticipation is with fear of being exposed, then it is Medorrhinum. When this anticipation is with over efforts, then it is tuberculinum. When this anticipation is with lot of good behavior, and now I'm left with few days and I'm about to die, is carcinosis. So these remedies, they represent the anticipation at different levels. So all nosodes, they are full of anticipation. So always think of a nosode whenever even exam. You know that Medorrhinum is anxiety when time is set, examination anxiety, what would happen to me, how will I carry through, like lycopodium, I might be, all will know my reality. So this Medorrhinum always has this thinking. And Medorrhinum's keynote is they love mixed taste, sour and sweet, salty and sweet. So Golgappas are the favorites of Medorrhinum. So all these people, if someone is crazy for Golgappas with mixed taste, mixed sausages, then Medorrhinum is the remedy. Great remedy for mixed taste craving. Another remedy is phosphorus, which like mixed taste, not single taste. So even if they want water, they want something in the water. They don't like bland water. They want some taste in it. So mixed taste is very prominent symptom of Medorrhinum. Laccan, we all know laccan milk, it comes out of breast. So all lac remedies, that feeling of disfigurement, feeling of infirmity, that lac defloratum, laccan, and there's another, I'm not going into that discussion. You see the breast distribution on the body, mammals, as humans have breast on the upper part of the upper towards chest. So there are mammals who have, like dog and cat, they have breast, many breasts around the whole of the anterior part of their body. But there are many mammals who have breasts at the, as in cows and in many, they have breast towards pelvis. So that has its own importance. So I'm not going into that detail. So that also signifies the personality. If you go through the lac remedies, so positioning of breast on the trunk also signifies about the material medica of laccan. So I'm not going into detail because it's a very prolonged topic. So I'm just running short of time. So this laccan is a great remedy for breast swollen, painful, sensitive before and during, breast inflamed, painful. So you have all that into the books. Laccan, breast sensitive to pressure, sore sensitive to pressure. So different remedies. I think I can skip it. Lac defloratum, with decrease in size of breast, has never failed to bring back the milk in from 12 to 24 hours. So if there is decrease in size of breast, milk not appearing, lac defloratum can be a great remedy. Castor oil can be great remedy. Pulsatilla can be the great remedy. So again, egg lactatia. Then Media Medica, milk remedies. Proving of lac caprinum, says nodule breast, lac equinum, lac caprinum. So many lac remedies. So rubrics, chest atrophy, ball, mammary sensation of underlap. Hura is the remedy. So feel that there is a kind of ball under my left breast. So Hura is again a remedy of loneliness. Post-second feeling, I'm alone in the world. Hura is a kind of nephrotic sensation. I'm alone. No one loves me. So recently there was an assistant doctor with me. So she suddenly got sick, and the reason was her pet was diagnosed with some disease, and they say that she will hardly survive, her pet. And after that she started weeping, feeling alone and not coming to the clinic for many days, wants to go to her home place and all that, although it was a very critical time. So I waited for 2-3 days, then I talked to her, and then she represented that Hura presence. She was very feeling lonely, feeling there's no one loves me, I always lose affection. If I love someone, he always leaves me. So I cannot love, so that's why I cannot form any relation with anybody. So Hura is such a remedy. The left breast, ball sensation. Combined atrophy of mammary, 15 remedies. We have talked of most of the remedies. So Boric has a rubric 7 remedies in it. Patek has 1 remedy, iodine. Clark says 3 remedies. Murphy, 27 remedies. breast trophy, breast decreases in size. Lactafluoricum is the